Thank you, Mr. Chair. First of all, I find it a little bit difficult to understand why Transco is the one passing judgment on the performance of NGCP. I'd like to believe, Mr. Chair, it should be ERC who should be advising us on the aspects and the pertinent indicators for us to understand whether or not NGCP performed well in accordance with the role. Kasi, Mr. Chair, I think it is better for us to determine which performed better in relation to the grid performance. Nung panahon ba ng Transco o nung panahon na ng NGCP? This is more understandable for us. Lawmakers, kaya naming intindihin ito, ma'am, but I don't think you are in a position to pass judgment on the performance of NGCP. Kayo po ang may-ari niyan eh. Kayo ang may-ari, pero sila po yung operator ngayon. But I think, and Madam ERC, kayo po ang kayo po ang merong role dito eh. But before that, Mr. Chair, I think you made the opening salvo and said that the very purpose of this hearing is for us to determine or to lower the rates of electricity in this country. If that is the primordial objective, I believe, Mr. Chair, the cost share of NGCP in the entire electric bill of our people is only 3%. 52% still in generation. 25% is in distribution. So if we are serious enough in focusing our attention and reducing the electricity in this country, let us focus on which area takes up the largest share. Dapat sa generation tayo eh. Pero ang daming problema po, Mr. Chair eh. I already pointed out this to the BOE. Noon po, ERC muna. If we wanted to reduce the electricity in this country, let me ask the ERC, bakit hanggang ngayon po wala kayong regulations on aggregation? Bakit yun ating pong ARCOA hindi nyo pinatutupad? This is where we can reduce our electricity.
Last time, the hearing that we had, Mr. Chair, lagi natin pinag-usapan about the Chinese na may one push, may button sa China na once na pinindot yun, magba-brown out. So I would like to ask NGCP, totoo ba yun na may one button na basta't pinrest mo, black out ang buong Pilipinas? Maraming nanonood sa atin kasi natatakot sila rito. So gusto natin for the record, totoo ba yon na isang pindot lang magba-black out ang buong Pilipinas? Yung parang bang sa Mission Impossible movie, parang ganon. Totoo ba yon?
Mr. Chair, wala pong ganon sa NGCP na...
Mr. Chairman, he's our Chief Technical Officer, Mr. Chairman. A Filipino citizen.
Chief Technical
Engineer Rico Vega.
Rico,
Pilipino ka?
are you in the position to answer that?
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Chair, I'm the OIC Chief Technical Officer of
Okay,
NGCP.
please, go ahead.
Yes, sir.
That has been a concern, correct?
Yes, sir. I confirm that there is no push button anywhere that can block out the whole grid of the Philippines.
So sinasabi...
But I just would like to, I think the question is based on, are you 100%? Because you did not make that. The National Grid did not make that software and did not make that. We're talking about button, we're talking of anything, but so they're able to tamper with our
Yes,
supply
sir.
of electricity,
As we
transmission of
have
electricity.
reported, Mr. Chair, our SCADA is not connected to the internet, can be accessed. Yeah, it has the own
Okay.
hostages.
Okay, Mr. President Jesus, you should have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Siguro follow-up question lang. Yung access ba ng Chinese counterpart nyo sa ganitong klaseng control, nakikialam ba sila pagdating sa ganito?
Mr. Chair, all our load dispatch center and engineers in our facilities are all Filipinos.
Mr. Chair, can I assure the Filipino people, especially yung mga nanonood sa atin, there's no such things. I want you to confirm that. You're under oath. Mr. Chair, na-under oath ba sila? Just to make sure na...
Oh, yes, that's a very
na,
good...
yun nga. Kasi very important to, no? Kasi ang ating mga kababayan, natatakot baka nga daw may push buttons. I just want to confirm na talaga
Okay.
walang ganun.
So on the request of the Honorable Presti, we will suspend your time. Please rise. The committee, everybody, all resource persons, okay? Pati yung mga nasa likod, no? All resource persons attending for the first time, okay? Please rise. Please. At
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth before these congressional inquiries, so help you God?
thank you. Please take your seats. Okay, the Honorable Presti De Jesus.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. So, kasi, you know, we work in the energy sector for the last 15 years. So, hindi madali magpatay o mag-shut off ng kuryente. Can you explain yung procedure kung paano sinashut down ang buong grid? Yan ba isang pindot lang dito sa Pilipinas o iba sa Luzon, iba sa Visayas, iba Mindanao o iba bayan? Kasi meron tayong mga substation tender na sila lang ang ano. Can you explain that if you have a presentation para once and for all maintindihan ng ating kababayan? Ano ba kasi natatakot sila sa one button na yan na sinasabi nila. Please explain.
Mr. Chairman, may I
Please.
Sorry, I'm sorry. Yeah,
Are you a technical person?
I'm not. I just want to raise a point, Mr. Chairman.
Can you
Because
respond to the question?
Yes.
Please.
Mr. Chairman, we have protocols, but I would like to assure this honorable body that we can divulge everything about our protocols, but these are very, very sensitive issues, and they involve national security. May we request, Mr. Chairman, if we will be compelled to do that, we request for an executive session.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, thank you very much.
And last point, Mr. Chairman, on China being able to put off the whole grid, Mr. Chairman, that's fake news.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Paul Sagayo. Don Presti, you still have, Honorable Presti. you still
Yeah,
have the
so
floor.
again, so hindi totoo yun. So at least just to make it clear.
Okay. Okay.
Tony
there-
Paul, maybe Attorney Paul will confirm. Hindi totoo yun.
Yes.
Absolutely a lie, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.